I'm from Nepal and you?
Nepal. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh,
First time I'm talking to someone from Nepal.
oh really?
Yes. Nepali people also very good.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Only fun?
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm here for practicing English. I'm learning English because my English is not good.
Really? But you are speaking nicely. How I can believe you?
No. My English is not good, but I'm trying to improve day by day. That's why I'm here.
Really?
Yeah. What's your native language?
Nepali?
Nepali. How you learn English?
I learn in school by studying.
Oh, that's great. But my
Yeah, but
country, people are
yeah.
learning English also only for pass the exam, not practicing. That's why we are very backward to speak English.
Oh, same here also.
Yeah,
Because we
I
also
think
just
Nepal, India,
practice.
Pakistan, same problem.
Yeah. Let's practice together.
Yeah,
I don't know English.
it's my first meeting to you, and I don't know about Nepal very much. Can you share something about your country?
In Nepal, here
Yes.
is wonderful mountain, big mountain.
Yeah, I know that.
Do you know?
Yeah, I know
You
because
know that?
I saw so
Let's
many
tell you.
English blog about in Nepalese. There is very big mountain.
Yeah, this more temple.
Yeah.
Do you know temple?
Yeah, I know. Also, Nepal is very much monkey.
Yeah.
I know.
How do you know?
Because I was a YouTube blog. That's why I know.
Oh, really used to see YouTube also.
Yeah.
Nepali blog also.
No, not Nepali blog. Someone from USA, but other country, they go to Nepal and they make blog videos. Because
Yeah.
I don't know Nepali language. So how can I watch Nepali blog? Only English blog, but they are shoot in Nepal. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student, but I'm not studying now.
Why?
I left.
Why?
I don't study. I am doing some work.
Oh, you doing some work. Can you share what are you doing?
Yeah.
What type of work?
I'm beautician.
Oh, you are a
Same.
beautician. That's really great. And it's related
Yeah.
makeup or
Yeah.
oh, that's good. You work from home?
I'm going from home and I'm working and again I have to come.
Oh, that's great. It's your
Yeah.
own business or you have partnership with others?
I'm just learning.
Oh, you just training.
Yes.
But you make money now or not? Only learning.
No. After
And
after maybe.
when you finished your training, then you start to learn making money.
Yeah.
That's great. And when you finished your training session, then what's your plan?
I want to open my own business and
Oh,
I
you
want to
want
work.
to stand your own business.
Yeah.
I really like to do some business because it's a freedom occupation. Business is a free. Yeah, if you want, you can go your shop or something. But if you do job, you most definitely you have to go every day or every week 5 day. You have to go, right?
Yeah.
And
And
business.
what do you do there?
I'm work a bank.
Oh, you work in bank?
Yeah,
In accounting or what?
in my country.